Today we're going to replace a muffler on our Infiniti I35. To replace the muffler we will need, we're not going to use any welding. We're going to use the muffler tape like this one, and also the muffler seal. Okay, this is our old muffler, and we are going to cut the exhaust pipe right over here. That's first step. So we're removing our muffler.
Oh.
So this is our old muffler. So it's completely rusted. So even it's empty inside, it's nothing there. So it just take apart. So this is inside of the muffler. So you see, it disappeared. The inside piece is just completely rusted, and now we're going to try it on in its place. It's gonna work. So it should be like that. Okay. We'll use adapter to put the adapter over here, and then this adapter goes inside this muffler also, like this one, you see. So it will be better right now, right? So we will use adapter to install this muffler. Okay, it looks good to me. Now let's finish with the muffler. Install all these pieces what we need, and then put everything in place. Applying our muffler seal on our adapter like I'm doing now. This is our muffler seal. And then we put our adapter inside our muffler. Okay. Using muffler seal like here. So when we need to put the exhaust tip over here. Now we're applying the muffler seal on that piece of pipe. We're going to connect adapter to this piece. So we're applying generally our seal on this piece of pipe.
Which?
Okay, yeah. Putting it in place. Okay. Put everything together, and then so we're distributing the seal around the seam between pipe and adapter. Make it smooth. Finishing installation of our muffler in place. So what we need to do, so it sits really good, really firm. So we finish sealing the pipes between adapter and pipe over here, and we finish our installation. And now we need to wait from 2 to 4 hours until this seal will completely harden it